Hala ka timing sa paaw. Wala pa bang kuningon nga paungon? Well, anyway, intelligence and self-bearing is very important. Beauty may also count. But what matters most is your intelligence and the true image you project in the society where you belong. Kadiyot siya, hanga ka, ayaw kutas. And that could be integrated to the saying, what is beauty if the brain is empty? Ladies and gentlemen, standing in front of you is an 18. Mutuo mo? Ha? Is an 18 pero ang 30 gibilin sa amoa. A graduate in secondary education in Cebu Normal University, taking a bachelor in secondary education. As a teacher, I do believe that child is not only a vessel to be filled, but also a lamp to be lighted. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Meru Bacos, 47 years old, representing the cluster where legends are made. Cluster 7! And as I reach at my age of 47, as I look back the journey of my life and the life lessons I've learned in these 47 years, I have gained a great deal of knowledge in these 47 years. And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, I want to share it with you 3 of the most important life lessons I've learned. Nangangalagin mo. Wala naminaw, giday mo. Abinok binuang ra. Okay, first, I've learned that life is a journey, not a destination. One of the first things I've learned in life is that life is not all about reaching a final destination, but enjoying the journey. I have come to realize that the purpose of life is to grow, learn, and to become a better individual. Would you agree? Okay, kay padung na rasad bumuguang uban, matiguang nami. Secondly, embrace failure. Failure is an important in the learning process. And it is very important also to embrace it. Because I believe that failing is not a reflection of our worth, but it is an opportunity to learn, grow, and be a better individual. And finally, take responsibility of your actions. Taking responsibility of our actions is the most important part of personal growth and maturity. That's why we have to accept any mistakes and make amends in order for you to become a better one. But ladies and gentlemen, that were the 3 important lessons in my life that I've learned. But before anything else, before I leave this huge stage in front of you, please allow me to share a little knowledge to each and every one. We, as an individual, we should serve ourselves as the catalyst for improvement. Improvement for the best, not for the worst. And we should all remember that we should keep the burning torch inside our hearts and lift the torch high enough so that everybody could see its light. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is from the Gores Cluster, Cluster 7. Thank you and maayong gabi, Naga!